Students, in this lesson, in this video, we have been discussing about the mirror equation. What is that? In this video, you have been learning about the mirror equation. In this mirror equation, this is the one of the relation among the V means the image distance and U object distance and F focal length. What is the mirror equation? Mirror equation is the one of the mathematical equation. In this equation, you have the relation among the V, U and F. Okay, before going to this, you have learning about the something. In that one, first one is image. First of all, what is the image? Suppose you take anything. Suppose I take a line. In this optics, this line taken as object. This is A and B. Then a light ray emitted from the A light ray emitted from A and reflected by a spherical mirrors. This is the object. For example, this is also one of object. We also one of the object. Then this object at the point a light ray is emitted, then is incident on the a mirror, and after incident this ray is reflected. This will be reflected. This is the a principal axis. Okay. Then after another ray also emitted from A and incident mirror, then it's reflected. See, this is the ray 1 and this is the ray 2, and this rays emitted from the A and incident of mirror. After the incident it will be reflected, and at some point these rays are coincided. This point is the coincided. Now see, for example, this one now is B dash, A dash, B dash and A dash. Now this is the, we will call this point we will call image. It means, see, first of all, a chosen point is the object. This object, from this object, the light ray emitted and incident of the mirror, then get reflected or refracted. It coincide or conserved a point of a single point. This point we will call a image. This is the definition of the physics. Suppose this is the point and this is the image. Okay. Then what are type of the image, or how many types in the image? Image basically two types. One is real and the other is virtual. What is that? The image are two types. One is real image and second one is virtual image. When the real image formed, when the virtual image is formed, you see, when the real image, it means the conserved. See in this figure, the rays are the conserved at point A dash. So if the rays are conserved, converts, it is gives the image of real. When the rays are appear from a diverse, it gives the virtual image. Image of two types, one is real and the other one is virtual. The real image formed because of the conserve of the reflected rays, and virtual image formed by the appearing of the a divergent emerging rays. It is the divergent. Then after, okay, in the concave mirror, we see a real image. In the convex mirror, we see a virtual image. This is the fundamental of image and what is the definition of image and what type of the image. Then you move to the a principal rays or emergence rays or the obey some laws that are the in the main is 4 is there. First one is, suppose you take a concave mirror. This is the principal axis. This point taken as a pole, this point. Then this is the focus point and this is the center of curvature. See, if the ray emergent from the object A is traveling parallel to the this ray traveling parallel to the a principal axis, then it incident on the mirror, then it's reflected and it grows through the focus. This is the first point. First point says, when the light ray traveling parallel to the principal axis, then incident on the mirror, after it reflected, the reflected ray should be goes through the a focus point. The first point. The second point we will say the same. A concave mirror and this point P, A, F and C. If the one of ray of the beam or ray of emitted is traveling through the focus, after this ray traveling through the focus and incident on the mirror, after incident it will be reflected or refracted, then it goes to the parallel to the principal axis. These are inverted or vice versa. See, this is the parallel to the principal axis and incident on the mirror, then reflected ray must be goes to through the focus. In this case, first ray or passing through the focus, After incident, it will traveling parallel to the principal axis. And then third one is if the ray is traveling from the C to P, it means traveling on the principal axis and incident at P or otherwise a light ray traveling through the center of the curvature and incident on the mirror. After incident it will be reflected, then it goes to the same path or retract its path. Okay, this is the important of the one of law or principle. Then last one is if the ray or incident at the point P, means at the point of pole, the incident, then it will be reflected and it will obey this ray obey the reflection laws. What is that? Reflection laws. Obey the reflection laws. This four thing is most important. Whenever you draw the image of the mirror or lens, whatever mirror is concave or convex, lens also concave, convex. This four thing are the most important. First one is if the light ray traveling parallel to the principal axis, after it reflection it must go to the through the focus. If the ray through the focus, after the reflection it must to traveling the parallel to the principal axis. If the light ray traveling to the center of the curvature, after it incident it traveling path is its retract is back to same direction is the third law. Then fourth of law is if the light ray incident at the pole or any with any angle the incident on the pole, it must be reflected on the, it must be obey the reflection laws. It must be obey the reflection laws. This is the most important points of it. Okay, is that. Next thing is if I take a concave mirror, this is the principal axis, this is pole, this is F, this is the C, this is the object AB. If I use the learning of the P versus laws, then say one of light ray emitted on the instant on the mirror. The mirror is MP N. The mirror is MPN. Okay, these rays are incident at M on must to be is traveling F This one of the ray. Next one is the rays from this point. Sorry, this is the P. This is the taken as A. Is some angle is incident on the, make some angle and it's incident on the pole, then it is reflected and over the reflection loss, and next one is and passing to the C and coincide this particular point. Now this is B dash and A dash, and this is we will in general call as image. Generally we will call as image. This is as object. In this figure you have only 3 rays, but every point emitted a infinity light rays, and in all direction. In the point the light rays are emitted in the infinity of the rays and in the all the direction. But in this figure you have taken only 3 rays. Okay, and this figure you also applied a parallaxal approximation or parallaxal method. It means parallaxal means the light rays are incident close to the pole and it's makes some angle with the principal axis. It is the a parallaxal method. Then it gives the image. See, in this figure, the triangle of B dash A dash F and the triangle of FMP. See, this curvature take as a because of the in the you already taken as parallaxal method. It means the incident ray are close to the P. It means you have this some curvature, but this close to the P, it is like as a, suppose this is the curve. This curve we have made up by a linear segments. It take close, it like as a parallel. Same thing in this case apply also. Same case from triangle B dash A dash F and another triangle is MFP. These two are the right angle triangles. The two are the, this one is and this one is. These are the two are the a right angle triangle. From this we will write it as A dash, B dash and the MP, and another thing is B dash F by FP. B dash F by FP. See, this is equal to this one and this is equal to this one. So A dash B dash equal to MP, B dash F equal to FP. Okay, this is equation 1. And see, MP is equal to AB. This MP is equal to AB. So this equation we will write like as B dash A dash by AB and B dash F by FP, the equation 2, because of the AB is equal to MP, because of the AB is equal to MP. Then B dash A dash by AB and this B dash F we will rewrite like as B dash P minus FP by FP. Okay, see this B dash F, this is the length of B dash F. This is taken as whole B dash P minus FP and get this distance. The equation 3. Then another, there are two triangles there in the figure. That one is APB. That one is APB, and another triangle is A dash B dash. Means APB. These are the triangle three, and another triangle is B dash or A dash P by B dash. This is the triangle 4. From this we will write like as B dash A dash by AB, B dash A dash by AB, and one other thing is B dash P by PB, B dash P by PB. Okay, from this we will take like as this distance from this means B dash P taken as the distance of the image, that will take as the image distance is indicated by V, object distance is U, and focal length, that is F. So see, from this one to this one U, from this to this F, means FP equal to F, and see from this to this taken as U. This is the equation 4. From third and fourth, we see clearly one of these is there. This one is B dash A dash by AB. This is A dash B dash A dash by AB. So you have the right side are equal. So you must be right side or left side also equal. So must be right side also equal. So we will rewrite like as B dash P by PB equal to B dash P by Fp by Fp. Okay, what is the value of B dash P? B dash P means the value of V. The value of V by what is the value of PP? P the value of U. Then what is the value of B dash P? B dash P equal to V minus Fp. Fp what is the value as the focal length F and Fp is also F. See, this equation gives this equation is in the a magnitude of the distance. This equation is in the form of magnitude of the distance. So we will take as B dash P equal to V U and V and F by F. See, in this figure you apply you already learning in the previous video, that one is the sign conservation. What is that? A sign conservation. This sign conservation must be measured from a reference point of pole. From this point of the P, all of U, V, F must be negative because of these value are in the left side of pole. So if apply the sign conservation, this value is like as V minus U equal to F minus V by F. F minus V by F. The sign conservation, then this value is minus U by U and minus V minus of minus is plus F by minus F. Minus F. It cancel both side of the minus, then you get V by U minus and take minus is common, then F minus V minus F. See, minus of V go minus V, minus into minus plus F by F. Both sides you get the minus get cancelled. Then this we will like as V by U equal to V by F minus 1. V by F minus 1. Then this minus bring to this side. So V by U plus 1 equal to V by F. V by F. This 1 we will take as V by V and V by F. Because of 1 equal to V by V get 1. Then you have the V minus 1 by U plus 1 by V equal to V 1 by F. The both sides cancel the V and lastly you have the get that of the formula 1 by U equal to 1 by V equal to 1 by F. This is we will call a mirror equation. What is the mirror equation? Is get finally mirror equation. That one is 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is the a mirror equation. This mirror equation you have the get from the first one is these two right angle or right angle, then this right angle, then equation 3 and equation 4, and they get the or solving this, then the last we will got 1 by u equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. This is the a mirror equation. Then okay, lastly got 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. This is we will call a mirror equation. Then we have the one more thing, the important that one is a linear movement, linear magnification. That one is a linear magnification. This is denoted by small m. This is denoted by a small m. This small m we will define like as this is the ratio of object of height by image of height by height of object. This is the height of image and this is the height of object. So nothing but what is the linear momentum? Linear magnification. What is the linear magnification? This is defined as the ratio of height of image by height of object. And see, one more thing is clearly show b dash a dash by ab. It means this is the taken height h dash by this is height h. Then alternately, what is the b dash p? Is the b. What is the value of pb? Is the u. You apply the sign conversion. M equal to h dash by h and minus v by u. This h dash by h equal to minus u v by u. Get from this equation. In this case, take as minus, but in not there minus. It is you apply the sign conversion, then you get minus. Okay, because of the object and the image is left side of the pole. That's why taken as minus. This is the final formula of linear magnification. This is small m means denoted by small m. It is equal to h dash by h equal to minus v by u. This h dash means image height, object height. V means distance of the image, distance of the object. This formula is so important. In this video, you have learning one more thing, and first thing is the mirror equation. Then second one is linear magnification. Okay, this is this video. Thank you.
Thank you for the view of my video, and please share and subscribe my channel.